This is it, the SPOFEC Rolls-Royce Cullinan Black Badge OVERDOSE Series 2, and this is a product check. Now, overdose for Rolls-Royce is a little bit like Enlargo for Ferrari. So the kit makes the car a lot more aggressive, makes it wider, a bit more bolder. And we've been bold in that we've designed this new kit so that the Cullinan, although it's a Rolls-Royce, can be a little bit more sporty in appearance. And in order to show you exactly what we've done, we're going to look at that in detail. Starting with the front bumper, completely new design. Love the fact that it's way more angular. We realized that this is with the new Cullinan and Series 2 because we've got these arched LED daytime running lights going down here. Not to forget, of course, the SPOFEC running lights at the bottom over there. But what is super sexy on this are these inserts in carbon fiber. Now, the carbon fiber belongs to the carbon fiber package that you can get with this car. You cannot get the individual carbon fiber parts, but the package includes that in the front bumper, a completely carbon fiber rear diffuser, which we'll have a look at in a moment when we turn the car around, as well as the carbon fiber lip at the back. I think it's really bold, the fact that it looks so sporty in the front now, and it fits with the rest of the body kit, as you can see here, seamlessly going over to the side, just giving this Cullinan so much more of a bold stance, and of course hugging these SP4s with so much detail. Love the multi-spoke look as opposed to the SP3, which is more solid. In an SP2, if you want to have sort of a blend between the two, those cut out of a single piece of solid aluminium. In this car, 24-inch in the front, 24-inch in the back. You hardly see that it's a 24-inch just because the car is so massive. Now, these look really stunning in the high gloss finish, but you can have a different kind of finish. If you want to see the variations that we offer, then have a look at the website. Now, you notice that this car's riding nice and low. It's not on Novitec springs, it's a lowering module that uses the standard suspension, but it gives you 3 modes. This one's sitting nice and low down to the road. It is for the look when the car is parked. If you're going to drive, you will put it onto the next level. And then there is the 3rd level, which will raise it up quite a bit, probably if you want to go off-roading, and no idea who's going to do that. Anyways, more on the side skirt here, just offering the centerpiece of the car, the same wide stance as you have for the wheel arches and the front and the rear. But before we turn the car around, let's talk about the inside, because this is the Black Badge, which means we've got the blackened out grille, we've got the blackened out Emily, we've got black badges, and we've got the blackened out door handles. But it does continue on the inside because generally, even if you would order a Black Badge, you would get the speaker covers in silver. We have especially ordered them in black as well. More than that, you get some of the accents that you have from the Spectre. So the instrument cluster that is now digital, the Spirit system that you have in there. You also have a little Emily right underneath the clock. Man, looks absolutely stunning. Now, this is the 4-seater version. It is an optional extra, which will give maximum luxury and comfort to 4 people, but 2 of them sitting in the back. You've got your little refrigerator, your champagne, your crystal glasses, exactly the way that you want to travel in your Rolls-Royce, of course, under a heaven full of stars. Now that's it from this angle. Let's turn it around. there you go. There's that completely revised and new rear bumper housing the carbon fiber diffuser, part of the carbon package that also includes this rear lip here. I find that super sporty, fits perfectly to the front as well, has a bit more angularity to it. And also you've noticed these new rear tail tips. They look super, super sexy to me. You guys let me know down in the comments what you think. Now that, of course, is purposeful, not just optically to look aggressive, but also because this car is fitted with a sports exhaust system. Sports exhaust system in a Rolls-Royce. You're kind of asking yourself the question, why would you do that? Well, why not? I mean, just look at this car. And it's kind of odd if it doesn't sound like something. Now, we're not doing anything as extreme as we have with some of the Novitec Ferraris, Lamborghinis and so on. It has its own special sound. To mention as well that the exhaust system is flap actuated, so you can have it super subtle if you like, or just with a little bit more of a humble growl coming from that twin turbocharged V12 engine that in this SPOFEC version also has a power upgrade, now churns out around about 800 horsepower and over 1,000 Newton meters of torque. So without further ado, let's listen to what she sounds like. That is all from us for now. If you guys enjoyed it, then give us a like. And if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, then feel free to do so, or check us out on Instagram or on TikTok. Until next time, take care.